This is the update in the latest Shadcn release that most of you probably missed. It is right here in the Shadcn documentation. When we go to the new project page, here everything is totally different, everything is refactored. We have this new preset thing. I already covered that one in one of my videos, but what I missed to tell is that we have now here, when we click on this button, create project, we have here 3 completely new templates, one for Astro, one React router, and the third one is official Shadcn Laravel template. This is so important for the Shadcn and Laravel ecosystem. This was something that wasn't possible before with Laravel. So what can we do now? Let me show you. Here, I'm going to choose Laravel. First, I'm going to choose some presets. I'm going to shuffle here and take something that is looking good. For example, this Nova Inter. So we have now this preset. I'm going to create a new Laravel project. So I'm putting this inside of my projects. Here, PNPM DLX Shadcn latest init, we have a preset, and we're going to try to create a Laravel app, but we need first to run Laravel new React. And this one is going to create a new Laravel application for us. I'm just going to call it Laravel Shadcn, and we are going to use PEST for testing framework. Yes, we are going to install Laravel Boost to improve AI-assisted coding and everything that we need. Basically, everything by default. We are going to install all the things here that are recommended by Laravel. Now, I didn't know this, but Laravel also has AI assistants in Laravel framework. It's going to ask me now about those. So here we have skills. I'm going to install all of those, and third-party AI, I'm not going to do this one. We have Cloud Code, Codex, and Cursor, which is pretty big for Laravel ecosystem. I'm going to use those as well, and I'm going to run npm install and npm run build, so everything is good. And after that, when we finish installing this thing, we can apply our preset here, or should I say our design system from Shadcn to Laravel directly, and it is going to work. That is really crazy. So here now we are installing still our dependencies. There it is done. So now I can just go to Laravel Shadcn and I can just run this command from here. I'm copying the command and I'm going to put it right inside of my project like this. And yes, we are going to just overwrite all the things. And now when everything is installed, we have our entire design system inside of Laravel working with React. And I'm going to show you why is it so crazy. So there it is. We can now run PHP artisan serve to run our server, and then we can open another tab and we can just run pnpm dev. So now we can open our localhost 8000 right here inside of our browser, and we can see that we have this thingy right here. But what we want to do now, we want to add a new PNPM DLX Shadcn latest add demo. Thank you, Shadcn, for creating this awesome demo thingy. So now we are adding that one. I'm just going to overwrite all the things and we can open our code. I'm going to put this demo component inside of our welcome.tsx. I think it's called like that. Yes, it is. Okay. I'm just going to delete all these things from here, and I'm going to put a new demo, add demo, import this one. Yes. And now if you refresh here, we have this whole style overview from Shadcn, and this one is going to be used for our UI, so all the colors and styling and all the things. So what can we do now? Check this one out. This wasn't possible before, I'm telling you again, with Laravel. So we're going to pick some totally another preset, for example this one, and we are just going to copy again the same command. So we can just do the init. I'm going to copy this preset from here. And now we're going to return to our Laravel here. And I'm going to make this one smaller so you can see actually the change that I create. So here, like this, I'm going to call npx Shadcn latest init and then this preset right here. So check out what is now happening. We are applying totally different preset here to our Laravel application. I'm overwriting all the things, and there it is. It is now applying it, installing dependencies, refreshing, and it should now work with completely new design system. And there it is. So this wasn't possible with Laravel before, and this is changing a lot of things. So what do we have here? Hours of configuration becomes only one command. Then we have an official template created by Shedcn himself, which makes it already production tested. And also, if you're a big Laravel/PHP lover, this is the perfect match for you to combine Laravel plus React and Shadcn, and you can build basically anything from this. I hope you enjoyed in this video. I used to work with Laravel a lot before, and I find this really interesting. I think it's awesome that we have now an official Shadcn Laravel template. Tell me in the comments what do you think, and for more content like this, you know what to do. Join the mighty horde, subscribe.